Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. This is Shankar. In this video, I will explain about what is the difference between Java and TypeScript, compilation and execution. So, I will show how to compare and execute Java program and how to compare and execute TypeScript program. These two I will show and in like comparison way I will explain. So, let's get started. It is not a sketch video. It is continuation video of TypeScript course playlist. This playlist link I will provide in description of this video. So let's get started. So first two files, right? We need two files. So new text file. Suppose open this text file. So let x colon number equal to 100. This is the TypeScript, right? File save as save as. So suppose sample.ts. Sample.ts is a TypeScript file. Save. So close the sample.ts. I will draw one diagram as well. So yeah, let's search like file. Yes, some file. Let's take this. So yeah, yeah, text will be there. Sample.txt. You can adding like a TypeScript, TypeScript, TypeScript. So bold it, increase the size. See, this is the pixel, right? Increase to 20, 20, right? So it is a TypeScript. So same Control C, Control V here. So text like so sample dot Java. So every Java file, every Java class file, we will write first letter like capital, right? So sample dot Java. So sample dot ts. Here heading Java. Select bold pixel to 20. Yeah, right. So now, so while creating the Java classes, post letter must be capital. It is a recommendation only. While creating the TypeScript file, all letters must be small. It will be recommended only. This is just recommendation only. So as of now, we are created sample.ts, right? Let's create Java file as well. So public class sample. So in that class, let's take public static void main string args. So main method. So some message system dot out dot println of sub welcome. Some message. So file save as save as sample.java. So it is this the public, right? Because same must be class name and file name must be same. Save. So Java file ts file. This is I am removing. Go to the ts file. I have not printed any system.out like that. So here in ts file we need to use console.log. Console.log of variable is x. Control then it will print the 100. So now post, let's go inside this path cmd. I am in now TypeScript underscore workspace. This current directory path. In this path, two files are there. So like tsc. TS stands for TypeScript compiler. Space tab Java another space sample dot TS, right? See two files only there. I'm entering. So sample dot TS. See new file is added sample dot JS. What is this sample dot JS? I will tell you. So TypeScript file after compilation, right? Compilation. What it will generate? Let's check any logos. Okay. So next TypeScript file compilation. What will happen after compilation? It will generate .js file. .js file, right? It will. So let's bold it. So compilation. After compilation, it will generate .js file. JS stands for JavaScript. So after compilation, so assume this is the one step. Let's add text, syntax like TSC, TypeScript compilation file sample.ts. So bold. Let's add some arrow mark. We have a TypeScript file. After that, what we done? We compile that TypeScript file. After compilation, what will happen? After compilation, it will be generated one JavaScript file. So it will generated one JavaScript file, right? So it will generated one TypeScript file. That's it. Let's do the same. So now let's compile Java file. Java C. Java C means compilation space sample.java. Sample.java. If any compilation errors there, it will gives here. See sample.class. When we are compiled TypeScript file, it will be generated sample.js file. When we are compiled sample.java file, it will generated sample.class file. So let's note down this point. So let's note down this point. So after compilation, so after compilation, what happened after compilation? So it it will generated dot class file, right? Or it will be generated dot class file. It will be generated a dot class file. So here generated dot class file. So now Java C space sample dot Java. This is the Java file compilation command. This is the Java file compilation command. Let's add a one arrow mark. So yeah, that's it. Next, after the compilation, we need to run the file, right? So before running the file, let's check. Let's try to open. First, let's try to open the .js file. See sample.ts file. There are two lines. Declaration log. Right? Two lines are there. Declaration log. Let's try to open JS file. Edit in Notepad. See three lines. Used it. It is added. This is added, right? This is added, and here colon number equal to we are added. Type type is removed. It is added. Use strict mode. Use strict. I will explain about this in next video. So now sample.java. Let's open the sample.java. So public class sample main method some sysout some message kind of. Let's open. Try to open. Edit in Notepad sample.class file. See what is this? what is this? We are unable to understand about this, right? So what is happening here? So after TIS file compilation, TypeScript file compilation, it is generated into JavaScript file. Understandable. So we can able to understand, right, this file. So that point let's add. We can able to understand. We can able to understand this file. We can able to understand. So it is understandable format only. So this Java file converted into bytecode. We cannot able to understand because of it's a bytecode. Because of it's a bytecode. Why we are not able to understand? Because of it's a bytecode, right? Next, last one. So execution, right? How to execute TypeScript file by using node sample.js JavaScript node space sample.js enter see 100. So execution like so node space sample.js JavaScript. So now for Java space sample Java space sample. I think it is sufficient. Let's check. Java space sample. I think here extension main. So comparison is done, right? Java file. We need to run Java space sample. Enter. See welcome. So go to the this diagram Java space sample. So let's add some arrow marks. So here one arrow mark, another arrow mark, here one arrow mark, another arrow mark, here one arrow mark. So here also one arrow mark. So that's it. So now enter one box kind of enter one box. So scroll up, scroll up. So file save as. So download the PNG. Okay. So let's check how it is PNG. Double click. So it is some dark. So close it. Let's download file save as. So HTML. Okay, download. Close this. Leave. Go to downloads. Double click. So in this video, we are successfully understand how to compile and execute both Java file and TypeScript file, and we are compared as well. Both we are successfully compared. So see here. So this is a TypeScript file. This is a TypeScript file. This is a Java file. This is a Java file. So TypeScript file I have compiled by using TypeScript compiler. This is the file name and extension. So same, I have compiled Java file, Java compiler file name dot Java. So after after compilation, it will generated .js file, right? Here also after compilation, it will generate dot class file, right? So after that generation, I open two files. We can able to understand this .js file. We can able to understand, but we cannot able to understand because of it's a byte code. After Java file compilation, it will be generated byte code. That byte code where it is not user or someone or developer not understandable format. It is like byte code, not understandable code, right? So finally, if you want to execute that file, if you want to execute TypeScript file, it will be converted into JavaScript file. Then we need to execute that JavaScript file, right, by using node space sample.js, sample.js, right? If you want to execute Java file, Java space file name. Here extension I added TypeScript. In Java file, I'm not added extension. Let's check in TypeScript extension is mandatory or not. So node space sample. If not found, it's saying that it is type is mandatory. See, look like here also type is not mandatory. So in this video, we have successfully understand what is the difference between Java and TypeScript compilation and execution process. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this video.